So hi guys, kami po ay papuntang Manila to attend C's graduation. This is a vlog for my mom, pero i-upload sa YouTube. So see you sa Manila everybody. Bye! Let's go guys. Going to okay, now we're going to the airplane. Meet Pops and Sess. So let's go guys. See you, Chuck. See you everybody. Here you go guys. Okay guys, we have arrived. Yeah. Let's go cheese. Okay guys, tara na. Oh my god, yung camera ko.
Sino nagila?
Ikaw. Okay. Chuck, ikaw na lang ang kulang. Charot. Let's go.
Hindi na ako gusto manood ng cartoons. Hindi na makapanood ka muna ka ano.
We're in Manila because it's traffic. Damn. So guys, papunta kami MOA. With the fam.
Second half, last minute.
With the fam. Going to MOA.
Lalo na doon. Punta tayo.
The traffic is unreal, guys. So guys, sino tayo sa MOA? At ang daming tao. Para bang?
Hindi mo punta tayo dito pa? Nagbibili ako. Hindi na contact ni Kwan. Ang tumbler mo.
Ngayon, di natin saan tayo mapapadpad.
Biwo.
Wow. Yay, messy guys. Yeah. Okay guys, day 1 done. Thanks Tita Abby and Mommy Sid.
Tummy food.
Tummy food. Day 1 done. See you tomorrow.
It's over.
Kadimpi Marzan. Leila Amber C. Navala.
Saan na yun? Ayun. Graduate na siya guys. Nakasurvive. Wow. Got shock.
Stand. Stand.
2, 3.
Nakatalikod. Ganyan.
Si Tito Balongkol.
About this Americana rhymer in my shallow. Cause all my just all like a London blow. Boy, he speak his Snoopy spoke. And he thought he was cute before.
Mira to, yan. Meet niya si Chiskun Spider-Man.
Picture at picture.
Si Iko, si Spider-Man. Hala ka. Thank you po. Bye, Spider-Man. Adios.
Patay mo ka. Oh, yun. Kompleto si...